Meaning of marriage.
Marriage. Marriage.
Noun. Definitions. 1. The formal union of a man and a woman typically recognized by law, by which they become husband and wife. 2. A similar union between partners of the same sex. 3. A union or fusion of two or more things, such as groups or organizations. 4. A blending or mixing of different qualities, styles or characteristics. Examples. 1. The marriage was a beautiful ceremony with friends and family in attendance. 2. The couple's marriage was filled with love, laughter and adventure. Figurative. Definitions. 1. A close and intimate union or partnership between two or more things, such as ideas, concepts, or styles. 2. A blending or merging of different elements, qualities, or characteristics to create something new or distinctive. Examples. 1. The marriage of art and technology has led to the creation of stunning visual effects. 2. The chef's unique marriage of flavors and ingredients has been praised by food critics. Historical. Definitions. 1. A union or alliance between families or groups, especially through the marriage of their children. 2. A union or partnership between states, countries, or nations, especially through a formal agreement or treaty. Examples. 1. The marriage between the two royal families united the kingdoms and brought peace to the region. 2. The marriage of convenience between the two nations ensured a period of economic cooperation and growth.
Marriage. Marriage.